Now we are introducing our automatic perfume fitting, crimping, and mid-color pressing machine. Here is a pick out for the belt conveyor connected with the labeling machine. And for this mode, it is adjustable. For different bottles, it can be adjusted. Round, square, or irregular bottle also be fine. Here, first is for air cleaning, and then for vacuum feeding. This has 3 heads feeding for high speed, automatically pump feeding. And here is the free crimping. This is the crimping. Here is the automatic middle color feeding, and then middle color pressing. This part is for screwing. Screwing is an extra function for the different bottles. For this, screwing. And this is the outside cap pressing. Here you can put the cap by hand. And then take off. Okay?